fiber optic network upgrades are in full swing everywhere. All too often, however, the high-speed fiber optic connection doesn't make it any further than the first house wall. How do you get the high-speed internet from the fiber optic termination point in the basement to the router in the living area? If you place the router directly at the fiber optic termination point in the basement, ceilings and walls will prevent phones, laptops, and other devices from having a fast and smooth internet connection. An alternative method is to run a network cable up to the router. But this solution involves lots of hard and messy work. Devolo is now offering a quick and easy solution. The devolo Giga Bridge uses your home's existing telephone or satellite cabling, and it brings the high-speed fiber optic internet directly to your router. The router keeps its spot in the center of the house and supplies all end devices with lightning-fast internet. Installation of the devolo Giga Bridge is a breeze and can be done in no time. For seamless high-speed internet at speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Thanks to the variety of connection options and easy installation, you keep the quotation, planning, and installation phases to a minimum. Reduce installation time by up to 85% and benefit from up to 6 times more installations per day. This is a fast and easy solution that your customers can get excited about. High fiber optic speed to the center of the home with the Giga Bridge from Devolo.